everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make our player jump. So last lesson we were able to identify whether we're trying to go left or trying to go right. So this one we just need to try and figure out if we want to go up. Okay, so we want to create another if statement. So I'm just going to create a new line down here after my input. However many lines you put really doesn't matter. It's more just so you can see it. So if you feel you need to put an extra line just to help you break it up, what we're going to do, well, probably first of all, is we might just make a public float for jump speed. Okay, so public float and jump speed. So again, it doesn't matter what order these are in. I'm just simply going to keep the publics together, and we'll have some more privates later on. And this will just help me keep track of what I'm going to be putting in here. So public float jump speed. So remember, a float could be a decimal number. It can be a whole, but it can be decimal. And what I'm going to do is create a new if statement. So if input dot get button down. I mean, you could do get button up as well, so that's when the button's released, but when get button down, and now it's similar to what we did previously, brackets, quotation mark, and what are we looking for? We're looking for the key name of jump. Awesome. So if the button down is pressed, or jump, what we want to do is pretty easy. We're just going to open and close our curly braces. My rigid body dot velocity equals a new vector 3. So remember, vector 3 is just the 3 coordinates, and it's going to be slightly different. My rigid body dot velocity, dot x. And so what I'm saying here is, if I'm already moving to the left or to the right, just maintain what's going on. It's been figured out elsewhere. Same as up here, we said to not worry about the y value. So comma, so I can do my second float number, and this is where I'm going to put my variable in, jump speed. Great. And that's just, again, press the tab button to move along. And I'm going to do 0f, just an absolute number saying, don't move me. And at the end of this line, this is going to need the quotation marks just to close off that chunk. So now if I save this, click on my player, I'll need to enter a jump speed. So I don't know, let's just put 3 in again. Might as well put that to 3. And if I click on play, so might as well click player. If I click on play, we can see that he still moves left and right, a little bit slower now. If I press spacebar, cool, he jumps. That's pretty cool. So what else? It's pretty good. Oh, there we go. If I press spacebar a few times, I can well, fly almost. So I don't know if I want to do that. Might need to fix that with some more code in the next video. Something we might want to do, I've shown you before, we can just play with our jump speed. Whilst it's playing, this is just a trial, different speeds. Whoa! There we go. So then likewise, we might want to change the gravity. So change it from 1, maybe change that to, gravity to 10. So we're pretty much going to jump up really quickly and then land really quickly. So that's kind of got its own, I don't know, idiosyncrasies about it. So if I try and just make this jump, I don't think I'm going to make it, but we'll try anyways. Alright, nope, didn't make it, but no worries. So quick video for this one. Next video, we'll just start working with layers. We'll finish off our player and create him as a prefab, and we'll make it so we can only jump the once. Thank you.